Hey, what's up, everyone? I'm sort of new to this thing, but I'll give it a shot. So, one of the first questions I've had was like, I had somebody make a banner for me, but it was a little too big for YouTube. So I did manage to like shrink it down a little bit, but I do want to learn more about like how to turn like maybe a JPEG into a file that I can work on Illustrator, like with layers, or if that's even possible, or do I have to go through Photoshop and then convert it and then put it into Illustrator? And also had another question, like if I have a banner that's too long and I want to trim it down, like I want to trim like the middle parts of it and then just combine the the three parts that have been separated into one full banner. Like how would I go about doing that with the JPEG? Because I know you could do it with Illustrator if you have the AI file. You go through layers and you can just cut out sections that you want and then blend it together. Or I'm sure there's different methods of doing that, but I'm just curious to see what other people have been doing to modify their artwork that's like in a different file format, such as JPEG or a GIF or anything like that, PDF, um, so that way they can, you know, um, create create new artwork with the existing art that they already have, but they're not able to because it's constrained to just one um, one layer. And is it possible to convert it into like multiple layers, or are you just stuck with that and then you just have to like maybe retrace or redraw everything and then have it separated in different layers within Illustrator? And yeah, I just wanted to get people's perspective on what they think about that, or if they have any recommendations for any videos that I could watch on YouTube that could teach me to do these sorts of things. Um, I found a lot of videos on YouTube pretty helpful with Illustrator, but some of them seem a little outdated. And when I'm trying to look for the buttons or excuse me, buttons or different, yeah, well, buttons. Well, they're like called different names and stuff. So, if you want to do something specific and they tell you, oh, go to Windows and then look up such and such, like trimming or something like that. You're not going to find trimming. You're going to find it as labeled something else. I forgot what it was because I was looking for something similar to that like before, or and just getting more familiar with the program. And I got myself two textbooks, on one on Illustrator and one on Photoshops, but and I'm going through the lesson plans, but it seems very like simplified. And for what I'm going for, eventually want to create graphic design T-shirts. So I'm wondering if Illustrator is even the way to go with that. Maybe like I heard a lot of people use Adobe Fresco and they just sketch out their artwork first and then um, copy it. I mean, scan it onto their computer, set it as a background image on Fresco, and then trace over it and do their thing. Like I've watched a guy on YouTube do that, and he went through all like the processes of getting it from a sketched image all the way to a finished product where you can like resize it to fit your t-shirt, for example, or piece of clothing, or a cup or a mug or anything like that, any kind of merchandise. So yeah, any type of educational advice going down this path would be extremely helpful. And I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. I know I'm pretty new at this, but I'll try and get better. It all takes time. So I'm gonna put in the time, and I already have my goals set. I jumped the gun a little bit, but now I'm researching, doing more research, and having a better grasp of like what steps I should take first in order to accomplish my end goal, which is having like a side business um, where I can like sell stuff, e-commerce, that type of thing. And also, if anybody has any marketing strategies, like I would be really appreciative. Like you could share that with me. I've been using social media, but man, it gets tiring. It really does. Like people on X, or what used to be Twitter, they're always on there. Like it seems like 24/7. Like I just can't keep up with them. And creating content that people want to watch, yeah, it's even like a little bit harder. But I would I would like create content like of maybe drawings and stuff, but I don't want to really give away like t-shirt designs. So maybe I could do like cartoonish drawings, and just basic simple stuff to entertain folks. Um, I also have a Twitch channel where like I love piracy and pirates, that era of piracy. So you can catch me on at Kurz, KERRSZ on Twitch, and I might start streaming again since I have a little bit more time on my hands. I'm in between jobs right now, so that's why I'm looking into all this and seeing if I could create some kind of side income to, you know, get me through each month, paying bills and such. But enough wasting your time. I already let you know like what I'm looking for, and if you have any advice, videos, tutorials, or books that you could recommend that can get me to the next level of artwork, and using different programs, or what programs I should be using if I'm trying to start an e-commerce business, um, that would be all very helpful. So thank you. I greatly appreciate you watching this video, and stay tuned. I'll definitely have more questions to come as I go along in this journey. So take care, everybody. Peace out for now, and one love.